Hey bestie, have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you're broke? Guess what? In today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly how you can study in the United States for free. And just so you know, this particular school in question is in Minnesota. If this is something that you are interested in, don't even touch the dial. Keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new here, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know and I want to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? Who sends this video to you? And to all my returning subscribers, thank you, and thank you so much for your massive love and support. I see how you like my videos. I see how you share my videos. I see your amazing comments every single time. Thank you, and I can't even thank you enough. God bless you real good. I'm going to introduce myself in the course of today's video, but I want us to get right into the business of today. So come with me, guys. Let's go. I'm really excited to share this school with you. So come with me. Let's go. So besties, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Miriam. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer and a YouTuber. On this channel, I'm all about helping students and families navigate the world of scholarships, grants, and college funding without the overwhelm. If that is your vibe, go ahead and hit the like button. If you have not liked this video, go ahead and do that now. Subscribe to my channel and let's get into today's opportunity. So if you want to study and you don't have the money, then I've actually got some schools that you need to apply to because they can give you a full scholarship as an international student. The first school on my list is called St. Olaf College. Yes, so it is located in Minnesota. Yes, St. Olaf College has a very unique policy where they will meet 100% of the demonstrated financial need of all the accepted students. Meaning, if you get accepted to St. Olaf College, then you can potentially receive a full scholarship. Besties, here is what you need to know. So today, we are diving into the Merit Scholarship Program at St. Olaf College, a school that not only values academic excellence, but also recognizes the power of leadership, creativity, and community development. Yes, community involvement. So if you are a high school student, or a parent of a high school student, this is a scholarship that you will definitely want on your radar. Now, who is eligible? Let's start with the basic. Eligibility for St. Olaf's academic scholarships is based on the information that you submit through the common application, and that includes your test scores, high school transcripts, and letters of recommendation. But here, what makes St. Olaf stand out? They don't look just at your GPA or your test scores. They are also looking at who you are beyond the classroom, your leadership, your passions, your community involvement. So if you're someone who has been active in clubs, in sports, in service projects, or creative pursuits, that is going to work in your favor. Yes, you heard me right. And how much can you get? Let's go ahead and talk the numbers. Come with me. Let's go. So guys, because I know that is why you're here. Yeah, so the total value of St. Olaf's academic merit scholarship ranges from $21,000 to $38,000 per year, and that includes a $4,000 campus living scholarship, which is awarded to students who live on campus. So yes, living on campus can actually help you earn more scholarship money, and that's a win-win if you ask me. No minimum GPA, and here is why that's a good thing. So one thing I really appreciate about this program is that there is no minimum GPA or test score requirements. Why? Because St. Olaf understands that not all high schools grade the same way. They take a holistic approach, evaluating each student's academic performance and potential individually. So if you're coming from a school with tough grading or unique standards, don't count yourself out. They are looking at the full picture. Yes. And guys, here is something that is important for you to note as well. The total value of all merit and fine arts scholarship at St. Olaf's University cannot exceed $43,000 unless your family is able to demonstrate financial need. Yes, and it's higher than that amount. So if you're applying for both academic and fine arts scholarship, keep that cap in mind. But then again, if your financial need is greater, there is still room for additional support. And here is how to strengthen your application. All right, let's talk strategy. So if you're aiming for one of these scholarships, here are a few tips to make your application shine. First thing you need to do is to tell your story. So use your essays and recommendations to highlight your own leadership, your resilience, and your impact. Show your passion. So whether it's music, whether it's science, activism, or entrepreneurship, let them see what drives you. Stay organized. Make sure that your common app is complete, yes, polished, and submitted on time. And remember, even if you don't have a perfect GPA, your unique experiences and potential matter. And here is what is next. If St. Olaf is on your college list, or even if it's not yet, this scholarship program is worth exploring if you ask me. Go ahead and visit their website. Check out their scholarship page and start preparing your materials early. And if you're feeling overwhelmed by the process, don't worry, I've got you covered. I offer step-by-step guidance on how to find and apply for scholarships. I help you also, I guide you to write compelling essays and build a funding strategy that works for you. So besties, if you are new here and you have not introduced yourselves, please go ahead and do that. If this video has helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who is applying to college. Also drop your questions in the comments. I love hearing from you and I'm here to actually help you. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a funding opportunity. I have a lot of videos that are coming your way on scholarships, grants, and how to make college affordable without drowning in debt. Guys, you already know by now that your girl has always got you guys covered. I did this research until 2:30 in the morning. So if you have not introduced yourself, you already know by now. This is the drill. Just go ahead and introduce yourself. What is your name? Where are you watching from? How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? Let me know in the comments. You know your girl is rooting for, and I've got you guys covered for real. Because in my next video, yes, I told you guys I have 2 schools in the United States I want to share with you guys. I'm going to share with you the second school in my next video because I don't want this video to be too long. So for those of you that are seeing me for the very first time, my name is Miriam. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer, and here on this channel I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Make sure that you tune into this channel every day because there's something for somebody here on this channel. Don't miss out on all these juicy opportunities. Don't count yourself out because I've seen a lot of situations where people say, oh, I'm sure I will not qualify. Hello, go ahead and apply, even if you think that you don't qualify. And there's something called application fee waiver. For those of you that are asking me, that keep asking me in the comments, and I keep repeating myself all the time, please, when you apply to these schools and you cannot afford the application fee, do you know there's something called application fee waiver? You can actually write to the school here and ask them to send you the form, application waiver form. I actually helped someone, even in Harvard University, to apply for this fee waiver. Yes, I helped someone. So go ahead and request for an application fee waiver. It doesn't hurt to try. Ask, and it shall be given unto you. Closed mouths don't get fed. Closed mouths is equal to closed destiny. So go ahead and request for the application fee waiver if you cannot afford the application fee, So yes, let's get started with that. And don't forget to apply for this scholarship. Also share these videos with your friends, your colleagues, your besties, your classmates, people in your class or in your school. Send this video. Let's make it go viral so we can also be a blessing to as many people as possible. St. Olaf College is currently taking applications and they're offering scholarships. So guys, don't miss out on it. So guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. So in case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you are sweet, you are gorgeous, and I am so proud of you. All right, take care guys, and God bless you. Take care guys, and go do exploits. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye for now.